Hey there, it's Lisa, your girl camper guide in South Dakota in the Black Hills, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace your entry lock on your camper with a keyless remote one. I got mine from RV Lock. It's the compact version, and what I understand is these are pretty easy to do, so let's get started. You can see the inside of my lock. It's pretty simple. All it requires is a Phillips screwdriver to take this off, so I'm going to get going on that. All right, well that was easy. So I got my lock off, and the next part is to take the front plate and I'm gonna slide it in, and it's a little tricky. You gotta kind of work it in to get the locking mechanism in through the hole that it needs to go, and then I'll put the strike plate back on. So, an RV Lock, in case you're wondering, has a really nice website with some easy diagrams to show you what lock to order, if they even have a lock that'll work for your camper. So I suggest you go on their website and take a look, and you can determine which lock you need and which one will be compatible. You also want to see these little wires here? That's the electric mechanism for making sure that this is wireless. So you want to carefully thread those, make sure you're threading those through the door as you're putting this in. So. That went in pretty nice. Oops. It's in there nice. So now I'm gonna line up the strike plate. This is the strike plate. And I'm gonna screw this back in. All right, so next I wanna connect the two battery wires together. And I should hear a beep to know that they are completely connected. And this does not need to be on. Yep, there's the beep. Click, they're on. So now I'm going to tuck these wires neatly in there as best I can. And I'm going to line up the 4 screw holes. Find a nice little space to tuck this wire in. And then I'm going to screw this down. So ladies, I got my remote keyless entry lock installed. It was so easy. It probably took me longer to find the Phillips screwdriver than it did to install this lock. I've got my own personal code put in it. It even came with this nice little handy dandy remote keyless entry fob. Really impressed with this. And I no longer have to worry about being mysteriously locked out of my camper at night with my keys in the camper. So pretty excited to have this. So if you like this video, like it, share it, and be sure to follow me on the Girl Camper of South Dakota Facebook page. Thanks.